Hey friends, if you wish to fix SD card reader not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Here's the thing. Before anything else, you need to update the SD card reader drivers, and they may or may not be present in the device manager. So here's the process. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows update page, click on advanced options, and then select optional updates and install all the optional updates. Return to the Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates. Other than this, you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.